Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a seated twist variation. Sitting tall, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale at center, exhale gently twist. Inhale center, exhale repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Inhale at center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, working through your own range of motion, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding a leg extension, flowing from right to left, moving through your own range of motion, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Pausing at center, moving into a side bend variation. Maintain your hands behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Inhale to upright and repeat on the opposite side. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen, and with each exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, gently flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.